Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. The Sun is the most important star in our solar system. It provides us with light, heat, and energy. It also influences the climate, weather, and life on Earth. However, there are many mysteries about the Sun that we do not fully understand. For example, how does the Sun produce such enormous amounts of energy? How does the Sun affect the space environment around the Earth? How does the Sun create solar flares, solar storms, and coronal mass ejections that can disrupt our communication and navigation systems? To answer these questions, the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO is planning to launch its first space-based solar mission called Aditya L1 in September 2023. Aditya L1 is a spacecraft that will orbit around a point called Lagrange point 1 L1, which is about 1.5 million kilometers from the Earth and directly facing the Sun. From this vantage point, Aditya L1 will be able to observe the Sun continuously without any interruption from the Earth or the Moon. As far the objectives of payloads of Aditya L1 mission are concerned, the main objective of Aditya L1 mission is to study the solar corona, which is the outermost layer of the Sun's atmosphere. The corona is very hot, reaching temperatures of millions of degrees Celsius, and emits high energy radiation such as X-rays and ultraviolet rays. The corona also generates solar wind, which is a stream of charged particles that flows outwards from the Sun and interacts with the Earth's magnetic field. Aditya L1 mission will also study other aspects of the Sun, such as its photosphere, chromosphere, magnetic field, and solar activity. To achieve these goals, Aditya L1 will carry 7 scientific instruments on board: Visible Emission Line Coronagraph (VELC). This instrument will create an artificial eclipse of the Sun by blocking its bright disk and allowing only the faint corona to be seen. It will measure the intensity and polarization of the coronal emission lines and provide images and spectra of the corona. Solar Ultraviolet Imaging Telescope (SUIT). This instrument will capture images of the Sun and in different wavelengths of ultraviolet light. It will study the structure and dynamics of the photosphere and chromosphere, which are the lower layers of the Sun's atmosphere. Solar Low Energy X-rays Spectrometer (SOLAX). This instrument will measure the intensity and spectrum of soft X-rays emitted by the Sun. It will monitor the variations in solar X-ray flux and study the heating mechanism of the corona. High Energy L1 Orbiting X-ray Spectrometers (HEL-10S). This instrument will measure the intensity and spectrum of hard X-rays emitted by the Sun. It will detect solar flares and other energetic events that occur on the Sun's surface. Aditya Solar Wind Particle Experiment (ASPEX). This instrument will analyze the composition and direction of solar wind particles such as protons and heavier ions. It will study how solar wind affects the space environment around the Earth. plasma analyzer package for Aditya Papa. This instrument will measure the temperature, density and velocity of electrons in the solar wind. It will also study how solar wind interacts with a interplanetary magnetic field. Advanced triaxial high-resolution digital magnetometers. This instrument will measure the magnetic field strength and direction in 3 dimensions. It will help to understand how magnetic field influences solar wind and corona. Aditya L1 mission is a significant milestone for India's space program. It is India's first dedicated mission to study the sun and its environment. It will also be India's first mission to operate in a halo orbit around L1 point, which is a challenging task that requires precise navigation and control. Aditya L1 mission will provide valuable scientific data and insights into various aspects of solar physics. It will help to improve our understanding of how the sun works and how it affects our planet. It will also contribute to global efforts to monitor and forecast space weather, which can have adverse impacts on our satellites, power grids, communication systems, aviation, and human health. Aditya L1 mission is a testament to India's scientific and technological capabilities in space exploration. It is also a source of inspiration and pride for all Indians, especially students who aspire to pursue careers in science and engineering. ISRO's Aditya L1 solar mission is a remarkable achievement for India and a significant contribution to the global scientific community. It will enable us to explore the sun and its environment in unprecedented detail and accuracy. It will also help us to protect our planet and ourselves from the harmful effects of space weather. Aditya L1 mission is a shining example of India's vision, ambition, and innovation in space science and technology. It is also a motivation for the young generation of Indians to pursue their dreams and aspirations in science and engineering. Aditya L1 mission is not just a journey to the sun, but also a journey to the future. Stop.